Good morning, everyone. A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Good, good.
Fine,
So,
ma'am.
children, please sit with your revision notebook. From today, we will do the revision of the previous chapter also, including the new chapter. Today, we will start the new chapter also, chapter number 2. And we will do some revision of the previous chapter, chapter number 1. Whenever we will do revision, we will always do revision in the revision notebook. And the new chapter in the class, your school maths notebook, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I can write in this page only.
Yeah. Which is the new
Ma'am,
page. Take out the new page of the revision notebook.
ma'am, revision notebook, can I write with black pen?
No, one pen only, which is blue pen. Use only one pen. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. We will wait one more minute and then we start the class. Okay. Meantime, I will present you the screen. Okay. And along with the screen, I will explain you and I will ask the answers from you all also. Okay. So today we are going to revise the number names. How to write the number names of the given numbers. I'm going to present the screen. Please, those who are joining now, please join on time. Because after joining late, you will again ask from me, ma'am, what are we doing now? So please, I request you all to join on time. I am presenting the screen and first we will do the revision of the previous chapter number 1. We start with the topic number names. We will write the number names of the given number. So I will show you the worksheet on my screen. This is visible to you all? Yes or no? You need to give me answer. When I present the screen, I'll not able to see you.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen everyone. Common instruction to you all. You open your revision notebook, open new page, write today's date, which is 9 June, written here in the on the worksheet also. 9th, wait a minute. 9 June. And then you write revision 1. Chapter number 1. Number names. Topic is number names. Then write this question. Everything you will write it in the notebook. No need to take out the printouts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I first page of the I only written two sums. So I can continue down side.
Use new page.
Ma'am, can I write in question 1 only number names? Only
Chap-
number names can I write?
Chapter 1, topic number names. You will write this also, revision number 1.
Ma'am, that question 1, write the number names for the following. That is important to write.
Yes, that is important to write. That is the
Ma'am,
question.
Ma'am,
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 we
I
have to write in the long book.
See, again, I'm repeating. Now, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself, everyone, for a minute,
Ma'am, this
please.
we have to write in notebook.
Please mute yourself. Let me give the common instruction to everyone. I'm repeating again. Listen it very, very carefully. Wait a minute.
ma'am, ma'am, I'm in my mom's office, so try revision now.
My dear Dheer, I have given you a clear instruction yesterday also that please be ready with the revision notebook. If you don't have revision notebook, write it anywhere. But after that, you can copy it down in the revision notebook. Now, please, everyone, listen it carefully. Mute your mics. Yeah, mute your mic, please. And turn on your camera, everyone. I want everyone sit with their camera on. Now listen it carefully. From today, we are revising our previous chapters also. Chapter number 1. We start with chapter number 1 first. In chapter number 1, we are revising the number names. How to write the number names of the given number. Where I have given you only 5 sums that you need to copy down in the revision notebook along with the proper heading that this is the revision 1 of which chapter, chapter number 1. What is the topic name? That is number names. And what is the date? Everything is compulsory to mention whenever, because why it is compulsory? Because whenever you open your revision notebook, it will be convenient for you to look it and see to it properly. Am I clear till now, everyone? I will show you the worksheet again and I will explain you what all the topics need is compulsory to write. And it is compulsory to for everyone to write it in the revision notebook. Yes. So first of all, you write date in the date column. Then you write classwork wherever you write the classwork towards the right hand side of your notebook. Then you come to the next border line and below the border line, red border line, write revision number 1. Then you write chapter number 1. Then you write topic name, which is number names. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things which I have explained you is compulsory to write for everyone. Do it with the blue pen only. Only use one pen. Then come to the question number 1. This is also compulsory to write. Write the number names for the following. Then come down step by step, first one. And after doing this, instruct me so that we can discuss these answers and we will do in the class. Okay? Please still hear everyone do it in the notebook. Faster. Are you all doing yes or no? Because when I present the screen, I'll not able to see you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Date, number of revision. This is the first revision, so it is compulsory to write revision 1. Write classwork to the right hand side column. Write chapter number 1. Write number names and write the question number 1. Write the number names of the for the following. Once you're done with this, just please instruct me that, ma'am, please go forward so that I can go ahead with the another questions. And it is compulsory to complete the classwork in the class only. Done, children?
No, ma'am.
Please
No,
do it
ma'am.
fast.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it fast.
I'm wait. I'm done, ma'am.
And every day you need to be ready with the revision notebook. I don't want any child say that, ma'am, I am not finding my revision notebook. I don't know. I was not aware whether I have to bring the revision notebook or not. Please, I am instructing you clearly. Bring your revision notebook every day in the class. Okay, now I am moving with, for the answers. First one, Vedi will tell me. Vedi, how I will write the number name of this number?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the, you
4,656.
will tell me the spellings also because I don't know the spellings. You need to tell me the spellings also.
FOR
FOR is the 4.
TH.
FOR is the 4.
Yes.
FOR.
FOUR.
FOUR. Yes, FOUR 4. THOUSAND 1000.
SIX6.
SIX 6. Then
HUNVR. E R D
Is
100.
it correct?
No, R will come first and E will come
HUND. Then
NDRED.
RED. This is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then 4,600.
FIFEY 50.
It's 50. FIFTY 50.
And SIX 6.
56. Children, is the answer correct? Children, I'm asking from you all, is the answer given by Vedi is correct or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can zoom.
Wait, I'm zooming it only. If you know the answers, please write it in your notebook. Now I will move forward to the next child. Dheer Kansara. Dheer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please give me the answer of the second one. How you will write the number name?
36,000.
What is this? Tell me with the spellings.
EHIRTY 30.
Hmm. Then go for fast.
Then 500.
No, after 30, what I have to write?
6. SIX 6.
36. Then
500.
after 36,
1,000.
spelling of 1,000.
1,000. EHOUSAND.
Is it correct?
500.
What is the spelling of 5?
FIVE 5.
What is the spelling of 100?
HUNDRED 100.
Next.
21.
20 spelling. Your voice is not coming.
TWENTY.
Very good. TWENTY. 20. Then what will come?
ONE1.
Okay, thank you. Is the answer correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I can say the next one.
No, I will call the child. I will call the child name. So I have just now asked from Dheer and asked Vedi. Now Ayush Miani. Ayush Miani, tell me the answer for the third one.
25,000 TW.
Wait a minute. Yes, start. TW ENTY 20. Then
FIVE 5.
then
THOUSAND 1,000.
Then
100.
25,000.
25,000 THREE 3. HUNDRED 100. NINTY 90.
NINETY 90.
NINE 9.
Very good. Is the answer correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, now please me. I want to
Which child
do
is
fourth
which
one.
child is saying
Mohammed Kazim.
which child?
Ma'am,
My name is Mohammed Momin.
Yes, let me move to the wait. I will move to Mohammed Momin. Yes, Mohammed Momin. Tell me the next.
1 lakh 2
Mohammed, wait a minute. Please don't.
thousand and
Mohammed, wait a minute. I request you not to take a help from anyone at home.
one
Now,
1,02,533.
now tell me the spellings one by one. What is the spelling of lakh?
LAKH.
Next.
Next
Next,
thousand.
next.
Next thousand. THOUS.
No. Only 1,000? How many thousands?
2000. TW2.
Hmm.
THOUSAND.
TOW2?
TWO. TWO2. THOUSAND. 1000. 2000.
Hmm. Hmm. 2,000.
500. FIV. 5 HUNDRED. 100. 500.
Hmm.
33. THIR. TY 30. THR 33.
Is the answer correct, children?
yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now
Thank
I
you,
can
Mohammed.
say.
Thank
Ma'am,
you,
now can I
Mohammed.
say Jignesh?
Wait.
Ma'am, now can I say?
If you say, can I say, your turn will not come. And your marks even also will be deducted. So Mohammed Momin is done. Now Viha. Viha will give me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Yes, Viha, tell me the last one.
NIVE 9.
NINE 9.
LAKH lakh.
LAKH lakh.
EIGHTY.
EIGHT 8.
Ma'am, why?
Y also 80.
NINE 9.
Hmm. 89. 1000 spelling.
OUSAND. 1000.
Hmm.
7.
Spelling.
SEVEN. 7.
Hmm.
HUNDRED. 100.
Hmm.
SIXTY. 60.
Hmm.
CHREE 3.
Thank you. Children, children, is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is the last. Today we do only 5 questions related to this topic. Again, we do it tomorrow and I'll give chance to other students tomorrow. Be ready for the answers. And if your work has not been completed, we'll send you the work in the classroom also. With the topic in the classroom, you will find a different. Wait a minute. Let me see you all. Yeah. In the classroom, you will find a different column, maths revision. There, yes, very good, Jignesh. Very good. There you will find this worksheet every day in the maths revision folder only. Every day, whatever we will do in the classwork, after the class, you will get your classwork worksheet in your folder. Once, if it is not completed in the class, then you can complete it later on also. And you will find it with the answer key. Got it, children? Okay. So children, now open your, I think everyone completed? Yes, good. Good. Now keep your revision notebook aside. Open your textbook, chapter number 2, page number 13. So now you tell me what revision we have done, which topic we have revised today? Which topic we have revised today?
Number 1.
Number name.
Number names. Topic is number names. How to write the number names of the given numbers. Now we are going to start the new topic, which is chapter number 2, because previously we have done chapter 1 and then we have done chapter 3. Now chapter 2 was remaining. So we start with chapter 2, long and short.
Ma'am,
Yes, Are.
this chapter, second chapter in second standard, there is also long and short.
My dear, these topic names similar you will get in the higher grades also. But the concept, page number 13. But the concept inside it will be big, you will get advanced topic in this chapters, right? In mathematics, like previously, you learn every year you learn addition, subtraction also. Learn or not? But what happened? What changes you will find in the books? What changes you will find in the books? Tell me.
Only the chapter changes.
No, only the concept, only that you will get like higher concept
Concepts
addition.
are same, but
Yeah,
meanings are changed.
yes, concepts are same, digits are changed. This is the only reason. Wait a minute, let me take the attendance. Okay. So in this chapter, what do you understand by long and short? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Why the name of this chapter is long and short? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand.
When we will learn distance measurement,
Measurement of which measurement we are going to learn?
centimeters.
That is called what? Measurement of? Measurement of?
Scale.
Ma'am,
Length.
centimeter.
Measurement of length. Right? We are going to measure the length of the given objects in the meter, centimeter, kilometer in this chapter. So in this chapter, first we will begin with the topic with the concept of long and short without measuring with the scales. For example, if I have some objects in my hand, can you see what is in my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Comb.
One is
So
one is big comb.
yes, by looking at this, you have not measured it with the scale till now. But by looking at this, by identifying it, you can say me that which one is long and which one is short. Can you tell me by looking at this? Till now, you have not learned how to measure it, right? With the scale, with any unit. But by looking at this, you can tell me which one is the longer and which one is the shorter. Which one is the longer?
The skin one.
The white one.
Ma'am, left.
Yellow is the small one.
Shorter. Yes. So by identifying it, by looking at these objects, we can tell that which is longer and which is shorter. We have not measured it till now. Till now, we don't know how much length. Yes, this Jignesh is also showing. Please see. Jignesh is showing the difference in between the two scales. One is long and one is short. Riddhi is also showing the difference. Let me pin you, Jignesh, and then you show them. Yes, please, Jignesh, show them. Yes.
Ma'am, see my.
Yes, Jignesh is showing. Another Riddhi is also showing. Please pin Riddhi. And Hare is showing what? Hare, please show. Yes. Now, I have another object with me. What it is in my hand?
Ma'am, it is green.
It's tube.
It's cream, right? Now, in this cream, one is longer and one is shorter. Which one is the longer? Very good. Jignesh is having some teddies also and he's showing. Yes. When we see the objects in the length, when we see the objects in the length, then we can compare them on the basis of their length. That this is shorter and this is longer. Got it? Same way, again, I am showing you the crayons. I have some crayons in my hand. See, I have two different length crayons. So orange one is, when we compare these crayons, so what you will say, Which is shorter than which one?
Orange is shorter than green one.
Orange is shorter than the green one. Clear? For example, now I have some pencils also with me.
Hello, ma'am. See mine. This
Ma'am,
is
see mine.
crayons. See my
Yes.
this is crayons.
Ara Vapani
The
is
white one
showing
is
in the
bigger and the dark one is smaller.
Now I have two pencils also. Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
see.
Riddhi is also. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll come back to you also, my dear. No problem. Black one is shorter than this pink one, or pink one is longer than
Ma'am,
this
see
black one.
which water bigger and shorter.
Very good. Yes. Bigger and shorter. It is not bigger because it is not showing on the basis of length. Okay. This is big and small. When we are talking about long and short, we compare on the basis of their lengths. Got it?
And see, green pen is small and blue pen is big.
Okay. Suppose if I have three objects with me. Suppose I have three pencils with me. Now, if I tell you, arrange them in the ascending order. Very good, Jignesh. Very good. Good. On the basis of the lengths. Very good, Riddhi. Good. On the basis of the lengths, one is shorter and another one is longer.
Ma'am, see.
Now, so you all are clear with the long and short concept, right? Okay, good. Now let me explain you one more thing. Your today's worksheet is based on.
Hello, ma'am. See.
Yes. Mohammed is also showing something. Yes. Thank you, Mohammed. Now listen here. Please keep your things aside now and listen it carefully. Your today's worksheet is based on the concept which we are going to do now. I have three objects with me, right? Now I tell you, arrange these objects and give them the numbers 1, 2, 3 on the basis of the ascending order. What do you mean by the word ascending order?
Ma'am, small to big.
Small to big.
Small to big. So if I am holding the pencils like this, so you will give one number to which pencil?
Ma'am, third one.
One number.
Third one.
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Second
one.
number first.
This is
Second
the
number first.
second. Now after first, you have given one number to this. Now you are going to give second number to which
Ma'am,
pencil?
black one. Black one.
Ma'am, last.
And now you are going to give third number to which object?
Orange one.
Red one.
So you know how to arrange them on the basis of the ascending and the descending. If I say now arrange them from long to short.
The orange one is first.
Ma'am, orange one is first, black one is second, and the blue one is third.
And the smallest is black.
Got it? Got it? How to arrange them from shorter to longer and longer to
Shorter to longer.
Yes, ma'am.
The orange
Like
is
ascending and descending.
the orange is
Very
long.
good.
The black is medium, and the blue.
Yes. Now
white.
I am going to show you the video. Wait. Please sit properly, Vedi. Vedi, your camera is upside down.
And he has microphone is on.
Now we'll
Please
want
mute.
to mark somewhere that will allow us to line the object up along one side. So lining up the scissors,
Ma'am, it's
crayon,
coming double.
and pen along this line, we can see that the crayon
Ma'am, it's not.
is the shortest of the
Ma'am, it's
three
not
objects.
coming double.
The scissors are the longest, and the pen is in between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. So the order of these objects will go crayon number 1, pen number 2, and scissors number 3.
This why the crayon is number 1, why the pen is number 2, and why the scissor is number 3. Because they are telling Yeah, because they are telling to arrange them in the shortest to the longest.
So now we know we want the crayon to be first, so let's switch the order of it and the scissors so that it is the first object. Now the pen should be second, so let's switch that with the scissors. Now we have our three objects arranged so that the shortest object, the crayon, is first. The pen is next because its length is between the length of the crayon and the length of the scissors. And finally, the scissors are last since they are the longest object. Now let's look at how to compare the length of two objects by using another object. How can we compare the length of these two flowers if we don't have a measuring device such as a ruler? We can use another object, our hand, for example. So we can see that the smaller flower is about the same length as the length of a hand, while the bigger flower is about 1, 2 hands put together. That tells us that the bigger flower is about the same length as 2 of the smaller flowers put together. In other words, we could say that the bigger flower is about twice as long as the smaller flower.
So children, you understood how to arrange them the longer according to the longest and the shortest objects without measuring them, because right now you think that you assume that you don't have ruler with you don't have scale with you are not measuring it with the scale, but by looking, by identifying it, you can easily say that which one is the longer and which one is the shorter. Clear? Yes or no? Yes, I'm going to present and show you the worksheet which you are going to get this today. You will get one revision worksheet which we have done as a classwork. If classwork is not completed, you complete it later on and attach your classwork also in the folder revision, maths revision folder.
Excuse
And
me, ma'am.
one today's worksheet based on the today's topic. Two things you will get: attach your revision, classwork revision in the revision folder, and attach your today's work in the mathematics folder. Yes, Dhvani.
Ma'am, that worksheet you are sending, we have to take out a print or we have to write in.
You have to take out a print anyways because it's a picture based worksheet. So you need to take out the print.
Oh, ma'am, but my printer is black and white. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Hello, ma'am. Your revision
Yes.
notebook, the
This-
100 pages? 200.
Which one? Which notebook?
The revision notebook.
Revision notebook is the long one.
The 200.
You have only one revision notebook in your.
Yes.
I think it's a 200 or some pages, right?
Yes.
This
But you have only
worksheet
one.
will
Yes.
send us.
This worksheet you will paste it in your 200 maths notebook. 200 pages, right? This is the
Well, that-
worksheet.
We have to paste that.
Yeah, you have to paste it because you will not able to draw these pictures. So take the printout and paste it.
Ma'am, can I do in Google Doc?
Ma'am, we have
Yes,
Ma'am.
you can do it in the Google Docs also. No problem.
Ma'am, can we send it? If we do in Google Docs, we have to stick in that.
Then no need. Write 1 to 3 to show the order from shortest to longest. Means the shortest one will be the first and the longest one will be the last. Got it? So this will be 1, 2, and 3. In this comb, this will be the 1, this will be the 2, and this will be the 3.
Ma'am, this is very easy.
So you will do this worksheet.
Jill, we have to stuck in notebook or revision book.
My
can
dear,
you-
the
Ma'am,
problem-
can we print this?
Then when will you send this work?
once your class get over, you will get it in the class.
Ma'am, can we print this?
You can either take a printout or you can either do it in a Google Docs. Clear? Okay. So we have done with the today's class. Are you all clear? What are you going to do today? Your two things. Attach your classwork in the revision folder and do your today's worksheet. Yes. Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.